Hello, and welcome to Math with Marcus. This problem is about unit conversions from the Closure Problems, Chapter 7, 131. It says, Ava is saving money for a trip. She's able to save $75 a week. Her friend from Iceland, Annie, is also saving money. Annie is able to save 7,000 kronas, the Icelandic money, each week. If $4 is equal to about 500 kronas, who is saving at a greater rate? So we're being asked to compare the two, and it looks like, well, shoot. Eva is saving in dollars and Annie is saving in kronas. So either we need to turn Annie's into kronas, the $75 into an amount of kronas, or we need to turn Annie's kronas into some amount of dollars. And I would just look and we'll just kind of see, okay, well, is it easiest to get, well, I would take a look here first and I would say, okay, well, if it's $4 is to 500 kronas, is there any simpler way of saying that? Can we simplify that ratio at all? That sometimes helps us. And if I look, I could say, well, yeah, if actually $4 is equal to 500 kronas, what would 2 kronas? What would $2 be? Maybe you could write an equation. So an equivalent ratio, we could say that if $4 is to 500 kronas, we'll just put KR. Then if we divide by 2, we would get that $2. If we divide by 2, we would get that $2 is equivalent to about 250 kronas. And you can go even further and say, well, then if $2 is equal to 250 kronas, divide that by 2, we could get what $1 is. And this is special. This is the unit rate. How many kronas is just $1? So 250 divided by 2, well, 200 divided by 2 is 1, and 50 divided by 2 is 25. So now that we have the unit rate, it's called that because for 1 unit of money, it is equal to 125 kroners. Now that's not too bad. So now if I know that $1 is equal to 7, now if I know that $1 is 125 kronas, sorry, not kroners, kronas. For anybody that is Icelandic, I apologize. Then this is just 75 times more. So this is just 75 times more. So $1 75 times gets you what Ava is doing. So if we times this by 75, you'll get the answer in kronas. So I'm going to make a generic rectangle here to multiply these two together. I'm doing 125 times 75. 70 times 100, 7, and then with 3 zeros, 7,000. 70 times 20 is 14 with 2 zeros. 70 times 5 is 35 with 1 zero. 5 times 100 is 500. 5 times 20, 100. 5 times 5, 25. Add all these together. 7,000, 1,400, 500, 350, 100, and then 25. Add them together, we get 5, and then 5 plus 2 is 7. 4 plus 5 is 9. 10, 11, 12. 13. And 7, 8, 9. So looks like Ava can save 9,375 kronas. That can't be right. Is that a week? She saves that much more than... Oh, okay. I was like, she saves way more than Annie. Annie saves 9,000. That seems more right. And so what do you conclude? Well, Ava saves more. Ava saves more because $75 is greater than 9,000 kronas. All right, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for stopping by.